guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chip, and in today's video we are diving into another round of palette bingo or random shades or my friend picked my shades, that type of video. And in this video we are doing this in collaboration with Kimberly, and I am so excited. We haven't done a one-on-one collab before, so this is going to be super fun. And in this video we are using the Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star Cosmetics Conspiracy and Mini Controversy palette, so that's going to be fun. So yeah, so the main concept of this video, Kimberly picked 5 shades, either a combination of both palettes or maybe focused on one, but she picked 5 shades for me to use, and the twist is that we have to use the shades in the order that they were picked. So this is going to be very interesting. So yeah, so if you're interested to see how I can create a cohesive look using random shades that Kimberly chose and in the order that she chose them, then stay tuned for this ride because it's gonna be a crazy one. Let's talk a little bit about Kimberly. So Kimberly has a YouTube channel and an Instagram, and I've left all that good information down in the description box, so please take a moment and check out her channel. I am so excited to be doing this collab with her. But on her YouTube channel, she does a plethora of different type of looks. She was really going hard for Halloween, and I loved all of her Halloween looks that she did in the month of October. She also does some really fun makeup unboxings, so hauls. Honestly, her birthday haul, I was literally like, you got some good stuff, girl. Like, it was so fun to watch. And her channel is just well-rounded. She is a well-rounded makeup channel, and I really just love the way that she applies her makeup, and her editing is so nice. So please go check out her channel, and again, I've left all that good information down below. So Kimberly, thank you so much for collabing with me, and I'm super excited that we get to do a one-on-one. So I'm a little bit nervous. I've had quite a bit of coffee. And yeah, so the concept of this video, like I said, is that we are using the shades that we chose for each other, but in the order that we chose them. So they could be completely random shades and in a completely random order, and I have to kind of puzzle them together to make a cohesive look. So I thought that was just a fun little twist to the typical palette bingo type of videos. So we have the Conspiracy palette, which again is the Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star collab palette, and we have the Mini Controversy as well. So let's take a look at the shades that Kimberly picked for me and the order that I will need to apply them. So out of the Conspiracy palette, the first shade we'll be using is Diet Root Beer. And then the second shade is Cheese Dust. The third shade is Conspiracy. Oh my gosh, Kimberly. And then the fourth shade is Illuminati. Oh my gosh. And then out of the Mini Controversy palette, we'll be using the shade Cancelled. Kimberly, what? What? Okay, so out of the Conspiracy palette, I'm already like, okay, Diet Root Beer, okay, transition color. Cheese Dust, I haven't used it. I can think of something with that. Illuminati, but before Illuminati, Conspiracy. Okay, and then Illuminati. And then we jump into a blue. Trying to think of a way to do all of this in a look because I have nothing. You guys, say a prayer, join me, and just send me good vibes as I try to make a look out of these 5 random, completely random shades and in such a random order. I love it. Kimberly, I love you. This is gonna be so much fun. I love a good challenge. Let's get into it. Zoom in and let's get started. To begin this look, we'll go ahead and prime our eyes with the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in Original all over the lid and blend it out with our finger. So the first shadow that I have to use in this look is Diet Root Beer, and we'll be diving in with the Morphe M504 brush and applying this to our transition area. And Diet Root Beer is such a light shade in this palette that I'm able to use this as a really nice smooth transition color so that it can help blend out other shades that we lay on top of it. The next shade that I need to use in this look is called Cheese Dust, and again this is in the Conspiracy palette, and we'll be using the Morphe M322 brush. So Cheese Dust is coming off very light on my skin tone. It is buildable, but it's still not giving like that really punch of orange. But I feel like if I had a white base, then that would definitely come off more pigmented. But for this look, I want it to be a little bit muted, so I'm not gonna worry about adding a white base. But if you're interested to see Cheese Dust on darker skin tone, this is what it looks like with just having that neutral eyeshadow base and then having Diet Root Beer underneath it. The third shade that I'll be using for this look is Conspiracy out of the Conspiracy palette, and I'll be using the Sephora Pro Shadow number 14 brush to apply. This is such a gorgeous, gorgeous shade. I love it. One of my favorite shades off the palette. Into the next shade, which is Illuminati, and I'll be diving into the outer portion of my eyelid with this color. And the final shade we'll be using today is called Cancelled, and this is out of the Mini Controversy palette. And this is the shade that has really thrown me off as far as making a cohesive look. So thank you, Kimberly. Okay, so for this shade, we'll be using the Morphe M578 and applying this under our waterline as a pop of color. And for mascara today, we'll be using the Tarte Big Ego Mascara, giving our top and bottom lashes a good coat. And then for lashes today, we'll be using the Bombshell Cosmetica lashes in the style Burger and applying that with some Duo Glue. So to finish off this look, I added the Too Faced Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick in Wicked, and the highlight that I'm using is from Fair Beauty Cosmetics, and this is called Siren Song. So overall, I really did enjoy this makeup look. I think I was definitely challenged, so thank you, Kimberly. This was so much fun, and thank you so much for collaborating with me. I think you picked really challenging shades to put together just like on the spot, so I love that. And really this blue is coming off more of a green. Like, let me know what you guys think down below, but honestly, when I look at the blue in this pan, it's like a baby pastel blue, but on my eyes, it's looking like a green-based blue, you know? So that's great because it actually worked perfectly with my skin tone, but I do think it's because it's sitting on top of my concealer and setting powder, which are all like a deep brown, so maybe that just changed the color of the shadow a bit. But if I did want it to come off more of a blue tone, I would just use a white base. But other than that, I really did enjoy this video. I had fun being challenged and creating a makeup look with you guys, so let me know what you think of this down below, and please don't forget to go check out Kimberly's video. I've left that in the description box as well. I cannot wait to see how she finangled her way through the shades that I picked and the order that I picked them for her. So I am so excited, and I am heading to your video next, Kimberly, so I will see you guys in her comments. And if you like this video, please don't forget to leave it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and you'll be notified on the videos that I post. And this was great. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.